Okay, so now let's implement the search, adding some DSA functionality to our to-do app. For that, we need to create one more file or the component, that is to-do. Okay, so let me quickly paste our to-do search as well. Okay, so the to-do search is a class-based component. It contains, as I told you, like for the input, we need to handle a local state for this component. So it contains the search keyword which you are going to type in the search box, and these are the two similar kind of events we have like currently seen, the submit event and the handle change event. So this do function will change these kind of events. So in the input, so we can just write it search. Okay, so this will be a simple input which consists of on change event, and the value is the local state keyword, search keyword, and there is a submit button which will handle on click. Okay, and this is the UL unordered list. We will show all the suggestions, that will I will explain. And these two are the standard function, as I told you, map state to props, map dispatch to props. So this will send this will fetch our suggestions. If there are any suggestions, it will show those suggestions, otherwise it will be empty. So it will this will map to the props, and this is fetching the suggestion from the prop, and it will update here, and it will like map loop on those suggestion, and it will print them in the list item. Okay, we will come to how that suggestion comes from the backend. We will come to that as well. So yeah, and this map dispatch function, it will send the action for the search. So this is the action to do search, and the payload contains the keyword. So we will send our action and the keyword to our store, and that will process and render the new state and send us the new state, and we will render the suggestion based on that. Okay, so in the app.js we just have to we have to import and we have the search thing, but we don't have the functionality yet because we haven't implemented it in our backend. So what we can do is we can open our store, and the reducer we will add the logic for our search as well. Okay, so for before that, let's just create something called try. Okay, so try is a data structure. Most of you guys know about try. So we are going to implement a suggestion things. For that, we need to insert all our keywords available in our body of all the to-dos into our try. Okay, and that try will give us back all the suggestion or the keywords, all the words that are based on the keyword which we send. Okay, so let me just create a try file, and let me just paste the try class, and I will explain you everything, don't worry. So you have like studied about try, or you can search it about try. So a try node consists of two things, children's and isEnd. So children represent its children. So currently we are building this try for lowercase in English alphabets. So we have like 26 children's, and we will initializing all of them with null, and we have like isEnd, which will represent if there is a word that ends here at that child or not. Okay, like we have like two functions here, insert and search. Insert will insert all the words here, all the possible words in our to do, which I will tell you how we are going to insert those words here, and it will search for all the keywords. So for example, we have passed some keyword here. Okay, so it will search character by character in the try. That's how the try works. Okay, so if it is found that word, it's okay. Otherwise, it will find a similar kind of words, or the words that are most available with that with the prefix of that keyword which are passing in this search. Okay, so I will provide this code in the description. You can find and you can run it out in your machine as well. You can check out this code and try to understand. So it is not that complex. It will slight change in the normal try data structure. So there we have like this search recursive function as well. So if we find the suggestions, we will append those suggestions to our returning array. So we are returning the array called suggestions, and we will appending all the keywords that are matching with that prefix. Okay, so this try will do the same. And let's come back to our reducer. Okay, so let me just paste everything that we needed here and I will explain you the same. Okay, so we have imported try from our utils file. So the init state is same. We have created a global object for our search try. Okay, now what we are doing is, so I created a function which will take input, which will take a string input, so it will filter out all the English alphabets, make them lower, and will return the clean string. So also we are going to initialize our try with all the initial state. Okay, so here is our initial state. We will pick out every to do. We will clean that to do if it is contains comma, hash, anything that is not in English alphabet. So we will filter out that. We will clean the text, and then we'll split all the words in that to do body, and we will add that all those words into our search try. Okay, so that it will build a try, so that we can perform search later in that. So it will initialize that try with all the initial values. Okay, now come back to the to do reducer. Now you can see we have changed this to do add action. So nothing is changed, just we have added something. So here we are initializing all the to do's, but what if we add a new to do? So we have to add those words in the new to do in the try as well. So what we are doing is doing the same. Here we are doing it for all the to do's. Here we're doing for the current to do. So we will inserting all the text words in the to do body. Okay, newly added to do body. So what if like any to do is deleted but the search tree is not updated? So we have to update the same. So what we are doing is we are creating the search try again. So you can see we are creating the try and adding all the new updating the try with the new to do's after deleting the previous to do, which we done in this to do remove action. Okay, so everything is same. We have just added these kind of changes to this. Now we go to our app. Okay, now we just search it as we did, and you can see it's working fine. So it will suggesting us all the things that start with th. Okay, so the and they. Okay, so we can add like anything, just like Sanjay, Sanket, Sambit, Shubham. Okay, now what if I type S here? So it will give all the words that start with S. Okay, so Sambit, Sanjay, Sanket. Yeah, so what if I type SA? So now it's Sambit, Sanjay, Sanket. Okay, so all these start with this. So that's how like you implement a simple to do add using React, Redux, and some pinch of DSA. Let me tell you one fun fact as well. So this suggestion thing which we implemented using try is asked in Google interviews as well. Okay, so we have now learned about Redux and implemented try data structure as well. So if you have any doubt, you can comment in down the description as well. I will provide the link to this GitHub repo in the description. So if you like the video, please hit subscribe and click on the like, and I will see you in the next video.